Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Taurus. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energies, guys, and few cards for your love energies. So these are for your daily energies, Taurus, and these cards may relate to your career situation also, guys. And these are for your love energies. We'll be picking cards from another deck, and we'll open the cards as we proceed into the reading, Taurus. And I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck, the Oracle's guidance message, guys. So whatever questions you have regarding your career situation or your relationship, you may get the Oracle's guidance in that, guys. So we'll open that card at last, guys. So that is the card. So we'll start the reading now, Taurus, for your daily energies, guys. We'll open the cards now. Nine of Pentacles, Ace of Cups in reverse, Two of Pentacles in reverse, guys. So these are the cards. I hope you can see the cards clearly, guys. Taurus, start the reading now. Taurus, with these cards, the energy is that, guys, today you are facing some kinds of instability. It may be in your work situation or because of your relationship. There are a few obstacles for you in your life, and you're feeling that, and you feel your situation is really stressful, guys. That is what I see here. And some things you feel that some people, they are not openly coming out with the truth with you. So they may be hiding something. That is also the energy here, guys. This may be this person or people working with you. So they may be hiding something. So that is a cause of worry for you. So that may be stressing you, guys, and some things you feel are not going to your benefit. You are seeing some obstacles. That is also the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may be getting some news about something. It may be regarding your work, some projects or some collaborations regarding your business. Some important means of communication may be, guys, or it may be in your relationship. So something important is coming towards you, Taurus. That is also the energy here. Some important news, and you are putting up a brave face in your situation. You are just smiling outwardly, but in truth you are really stressed because of your situation. Things are not going as you had wished for, as you had expected. So that may be the reason, guys. Let us see what are these cards. So these cards may relate to your relationship, guys. Let us see. Stars, or it will give you a better clarity in your situation, guys. Birds. And what is the third card? Heart. So with this card, I feel here that you are speaking about your situation to your friends or family, with whomever you can have that open heart conversation. So you are speaking your mind, speaking your troubles, whatever you are facing today, guys, and you are taking their counsel regarding your situation. And this is a very positive card here, guys. So whatever the negative things that we were seeing with the previous cards, whatever obstacles you are facing, and certain stress, maybe some news, some form of communication that may be stressing you, but you will overcome that, guys. That is what I see here. And maybe these efforts, whatever efforts you are putting in today, are just to reach the goals. You are seeing that a goal in your future, you are surely reaching it, but today you are making those efforts, guys, really hard work to manifest those goals. So whatever obstacles you are facing, whatever problems you are crossing over, it is just helping you to reach that goal. So that way you are happy. That is what I see here. And maybe some people hiding something from you, some information. Maybe this person with whom you are in relationship with, they may not be telling you the truth, so that may also be stressing you. But I think you are going to go in for that communication with them, guys. Through deep communication, you may be able to overcome that. You may discuss whatever is on your mind. So with that discussion, you will be able to overcome that. That is also what I feel here, guys. So important communications are also happening, and you are getting counsel from friends. So they may be imparting you valuable lessons, whatever they have learnt in their life, and they may be giving you advice based on that, guys. So that is also the energy here. Let us see what is the Wisdom Oracle's card for you all, Taurus. Higher power. Taurus, the energy with this card, this oracle card, the guidance for us, guys, is that we are more than a human being, guys. We have an immortal soul within us, that spark of the higher power, which helps us to do what we do every day, each and every moment. So we need to understand that, and we need to understand that without that spirit, without that immortal being in us, we are nothing. So with this card, for your relationship, the energy is that, guys, whenever this card is there, so for your relationship, the message is that your bond with this person, so that bond is so deep, and you share a great spiritual attachment to this person. Maybe this person is a karmic destiny for you guys. They are there just to help you in your growth and evolution, in your spiritual growth and evolution. That is the only reason that they are there, and you are there with them, and you may be feeling very familiar with them because of this bonding. And maybe in your work, career moves, whatever you are taking, some decisions, so you feel some decisions come to you through your intuition. You feel you have a gut feeling towards some decisions in your work. So when you have that gut feeling, when you feel that nudge, you should understand that it is that higher power guiding you to go in the right direction. So when you do that, when you go according to your intuition, you will surrender to that higher power, and you will have that sense that everything will be taken care of in your life, and you are in good hands. You will feel that, and you will feel extremely happy and content because of that, guys. So that is the oracle's guidance for us. So we should listen to our intuition, whatever we feel in our relationship or in our work situation. When we do that, we will always be on the right path. So that is the guidance for your Taurus, and that is the reading, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.